Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia's out and about, and she's talking to Miss D, also Bambam, and this message goes for them. She's saying that Miss D did not grow up in riches. Charity basically put her where she is, and she's calling her, a name, and she said she's doing it in a good way. She's not doing it in a derogatory way, but she's just saying that so that she would open herself up and be honest with the people. She's saying that this lady is saying that she is transparent, but she's not being transparent, and she should come out and be a motivation to others. Uh, she mentioned that allegedly the lady worked with Bush Stewart. Basically as a housekeeper, and that she was selling stuff downtown as well, and it's charity that put her where she is. That's the reason why she's in the position she is in right now. So guys, if you want to hear more, you have to go ahead and catch the video to see what Marcia has to say and who she's addressing. And also, remember guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And also, Marcia has her business. You could go ahead and support it. Miss D has her business. Go ahead and support it as well. Because they're all persons that, are on social media. We may not know them personally. So go ahead and support their business. It's up to your liking to what you want to do. Now, guys, have yourselves a beautiful day. And remember to come back for another video.
You go buy that, you don't buy it. Yes. And I heard you're making a video acting like say I talk say you grew up in a luxury, I grew up in a riches. Bitch, you not grew up in a fucking riches. You not grew up in a riches. And you run well left it. You not run left no riches. Nobody now run left riches. Nobody now run the left riches. Nobody now. So talk. You have to come to the reality. And stop being ungrateful. Charity put you where you are, bitch. I mean, I call a bitch in a good way. Charity put you where. Stop making excuses and talking about you grew up in a riches and running from it. I mean, nobody's going to run from riches and end up look like your body going a World War III. Look how much cut up you have. Why would you run from riches and go sell drawers and slippers downtown and a fight over man make you cut up like you know walk for, like you know cross over Jerusalem into Israel and Baghdad with the whole cut up of your skin all over? What the fuck? Tapping eyes. Charity put your ways. Don't stop. Don't make it seem like you grew up in a riches and you had it. If you had it, you would not be a housekeeper. You would not be cleaning shit house at Bush Stewart office and cleaning toilet and office. Shut up and be motivated to the people them. You understand? Just leave. You should leave that alone. You can't come on social media, come give statement and talk about your transparency and Google. You have me in a Google too. Everybody in a Google. We all are registered with Google. That's how we get into YouTube. We have to get into Google. So don't make it seem like, oh, if YouTube cut off, we in a Google. The whole we go have Google. You don't have Google. Well, we not Google on my phone. Hey Google, tell me where to go. We have it. You have to take responsibility for your action of the people and money. It's not you talk about your kid do this or your kid do that. Is your kid build a house up above rock? The big mansion we have above rock? Where your family house where you build? And your kid money build that. So what making a go above rock or show the house? Where you hiding it for? Remember, say above rock me come from to, you know. Me not come, my people come from, you know. Above a cake, build a cake, make up fix up your house above rock. Where you have up a nice and ready. You know you need to stop it. You need to be more humble. And that is the reason why you're losing people and then gone right over to teenation. You know, see, Tino should give a run for your money. Because it says, if I'm too high, Lord, bring me down. You cannot come on social media and be ungrateful to the people. And these motherfuckers not even sit through you. You are very ungrateful. You are an ungrateful girl. If I knew you were turning out like this to be so fucking ungrateful to God, I would have never talked to you. I remember saying me first stop talk to you. Now make your motherfucking people them say me first stop talk to you. When I tell you piece of my mind in a WhatsApp and block you. You understand? So don't make nobody feel say you black because me always keep it real with you. So just remember that. And me give you a piece of my mind in a WhatsApp and block you. So when them and block you from Facebook at the time. So no matter you come out few days and say me first block you and cuss you off. You understand? So me say let the people them know I'm a big friend. But you have to come to a realization. Be humble. Be humble. Be humble. Because what into darkness must come out in the light. Because me, Marcia, can prove a lot of things. Not only with words, but with documentation that were sent to me by big donors. And their names never called. So don't come on the social media and talk about every donor's call, even with Miss Siloni house. So stop it. Even a transaction that was sent to your bad mind, dirty friend, when named Carol. Where she working, them should have fired a blood clot long time. Because me never hear anybody work into a facility where for certain class, for disabilities and all them people and get too much vacation. Taking advantage of the system. Because she worked there as a supervisor. Them should fire her ass. You understand? So no bother with it. No bother with it. You see, same like how they come and dash out. Erica, people can dash you out too. Be careful of what you say on social media because guess what? You're pissing off the people. Because when you come out and speak like that, like nobody do anything for you, no proof is out there, these people are getting upset. And you know what they're doing? They're getting touching with me and they're saying they don't like what you're doing because I'm a soigo. If me start throat on something right now, you can say, oh, who tell me that? You can know who tell me if you start even throat some stuff towards your daughter, them and all kind of something. You have to stop it. There were donors and people who help you along your way to bring you where you are today. You should be kissing everybody's ass. You should be quiet. You should be coming out here telling nobody that them stagnant. Them live America for so long. I live here a very long time, Donna. And the rest of dirty pussy old people in Jamaica. I live here a very long time and I came here about 10, 11 years old. I think I came here. You understand? And I came here into a 3-family house. I came in a Christian home. You understand? A sophisticated woman. Upscale woman. My table had about 20 people every Sunday. Pastors, deacon, evangelists, our house is the one that accommodates those people. My mother invite them for dinner. If you rent upstairs, everybody eat on the table. That is the reason why I eat so elegant. Because she taught me well. So when you see that little dirty pussy clad, bam, a dirty pussy girl a chat shit. But me grew up in a ghetto home. Me have to go to church 5 days a week. My mother don't have nothing to do with me. I learned my Jamaican cursing from going back to Jamaica over the years. From me 16 years old, me I travel non-stop. I learned to curse bad word. Me learned to curse bad word same place here in the United States of America. Me left Jamaica as a face pitney. When me a 3-4 year old, me the biggest bad word cusser at Jamaica. Everybody from the community know me. If you say curly this, I know your bumbo pussy clot. And me not get beaten feet. So nobody can tell me nothing about bad word. Nobody can tell me nothing how to change up my language when I want to curse. Because it is stated that, oh, She chat so bad. Look how long she live a foreign. At Jamaica, on a blood clot live on not change up on a fucking language for. And because on want blood clot scam people no come a twang. Keep on a pussy clot language unless you going working in the bank or working in the business sector. Chat on a blood clot language, on a bomb pussy clot Jamaican. But no for that Jamaica blood clot twang like on live a pussy clot foreign. Stick to no blood clot language. Because Chinese now give it that blood clot for nothing. Spanish now give it to Asian and African now give it them language. They only speak English when they're asked. And someone of that Jamaica, excuse me, I speak like when a foreigner. Speak with a blood clot language. And let's not go into a work ethic. Wanna speak up a little bit better. Wanna think you can chat like me? How can change up them blood clot language like me? Eh? How can change up? How can switch up like me? You ever hear when tell me I talk to the white people, I mean, yeah? Eh? You can't switch up in a language like me? Who do you think you're talking to? Be real. Be real. What you need to come out and do is to tell these motherfucking bloggers, stop call your name. And stop call people your friend. You don't have no fucking friend. The only friend you have is Paula. You don't have no friend. You don't have no acquaintances. You have endorsers out there. Them only use you because of your status on social media. That is it. People don't like your attitude. You understand? They want changes. It is not a time to come on social media and boast about what you have. It's about time to tell God and ask God to forgiveness. How you can restore and how you can give back. And how you can give you the strength to come out and talk the truth. How you accumulated all those things. Because at the end of the day, it is going to suffocate you. And meaning that you'll come out and you'll talk. Just like me see one video on TikTok where one boy come out and say, there's a couple that give him a place to live. And he's going to confess that 3 of them robbed the house. But he was the one that him involved in the robbing too. The people give him the house to stay in. I'm a look after the houses. Yeah, him go there and take the food and the computer them. But him now call it the rest of the people and because him go dead. So you have to come out and give the people. You can't just dash the people on their bus. Majority of the people that donated to you, know. These people no live nowhere far, really, God, roach and rat kill them blood clot. One little space. Them live in a one little basement can't twist left and right and center. Some of them can't even take no trip to come back home. And how do you think they feel to know that they invest? They have to work 6-7 hours to send you a little money. People don't get that much money in a home care up. God bless it, them I get the $15 good, or the $16 or the $17. Or the $19.50. If you're in a union, you're not getting $19.50, $20. If you're in a union. And then people working. They have to take taxi to work. Taxi come out. You got to stop that fuckery where you're going with. But you grew up in a riches and you run left it. There is no fucking way. Because you don't have no education. You don't have no fucking skill. Your fucking cake them don't taste good. Nor anything like that. And you're going to come up and you're going to tell people say you grew up in a riches. Forget about that. You was a bad bumbleclot girl. You want to take man quick. You should have stayed with your father and make and finish your education. But yet you go up a breed and a fight over man. Look how your skin cut up without a bow wire. Look how you look chop up. Eh? And then you want to come brag upon people and come talk about with stagnant affair. I mean, not take that blood clot welcome in a stagnant. Because if me the pussy clot stagnant, me could in a nicer place where me the right now. And when me leave, me pay 1.5 times more the money for live yourself. Do I care? Nope. Me love it. Me love it. And I eat about the blood clot people them. Oh, how is it that Marcia? How is it that Marcia living like this? They even speaking about my food when I eat at evening time. Me use my money and buy food. So what am I supposed to use the money and buy? Go buy them stinking pussy? After me not buy pussy? Me not buy pussy? So how is it that me take my money now And me go to buy food when I say was starve of life. That me supposed to eat every evening. Eh? What they want to do? Come buy them pussy. Me not buy pussy. What they want to do? Come buy them man. Me not buy dick. Me not buy cocky partner. Me not show no cocky partner around here. What you expect me to do? Eh? Name leaf? Eh? You see thing about it, you don't like the truth. And then you're very delusional. And for somebody who is 50-year-old, you're going to develop Alzheimer's very quick because you guess what? You're a pathological liar. Straight up. I was one of the first person to come to social media and call a pathological liar. Because nobody don't want to tell the truth. You do things to satisfy you. You're a narcissist. Stop the bragging. Stop the bragging. Give credit where credit is due. Come out and thank the people to establish you to be where you are today. Yes, them can't call you the ghetto queen because you're in the ghetto. But is there people in the ghetto who have more money than you? Hell to the fucking yes. The drugs man, they have more money than you. They have more money than you. Same place now in the mountain view right there. But them not brag. They ain't boasting. They have more money than you. But them smart. You say you're coming to foreign. If you say you get through with the people who come to foreign, you have 6 months to leave the country. So me expect you. If you say January, February, March, April, May, June, me expect you by June. And it seems like if you start bragging, so you come to foreign, you get through to come to foreign by December. Me expect you have left the country. Let's see what you're going to tell the people when you come here. And let's see how long a US dollar is going to work for. Me know you not, Tanya. You ain't staying here. And you have to pay Uncle Tom taxes. The rules and regulations change. You have to spend 1 year here before you go home. Else your green card can be taken away from you. So things say you come here, things say you're going to get you and come here, work, stay up here at 1 month, 2 months, and go for 6 months and come back. You and Uncle Sammy. You and Uncle Sammy, things change. So me know a few people that take away got their green card taken away like that. So things say now, you are going to come here, pop style pan people like come here for 2 months and run me back. And don't pay no taxes. Yes, my dear, you and Uncle Sammy. Uncle Sammy waiting for you. So might as well nobody come. Because you have to pay tax. When they open an establishment, you have to pay tax. You also have to get health insurance for them. And then you tell
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.